Thanks for staying with us here on the afternoon prime time. Now, in fact, we are getting you something which really shows us what is the mindset of our political class when it comes to martyrs. This is a story of SPO Kishore Pandey, who laid down his life while fighting the Maoists in Chhattisgarh in 2011. But the Chhattisgarh government now has issued a notice to this martyr's family asking the kin to repay the money which they borrowed from the government fund for the last rites of the martyr. The Congress is also hitting out now at Raman Singh government, saying that they should not harm the martyr's family, and it's only after a Times Now report here today that the government has withdrawn that order.
On one hand, our Jawans fight the Maoists right in the Naxal heartland in Chhattisgarh. On the other, the government fails to even acknowledge their sacrifice. We told you how the government has even failed to provide bulletproof jackets and adequate weapons for our Jawans to take on the Maoists. Now we also tell you how the government has in fact asked the family of one of the martyrs to even pay back the rupees 10,000 that the government had in fact incurred in the last rites of a particular Jawan who had martyred and laid down his life in 2011. The case here is that of SPO Kishore Pandey, who had in fact laid down his life in 2011 fighting Maoists in Chhattisgarh. Joining me now is his brother Kaushal Kumar Pandey, who is also a constable in the Chhattisgarh police in Garhyaband area. Let's talk to him and find out what exactly he had to in fact go through. कौशल जी, टाइम्स नाउ से बात करेंगे, धन्यवाद। आपको एक चिट्ठी आई थी कुछ दिन पहले सरकार की तरफ से, उस चिट्ठी में क्या लिखा गया था?
सर, उसमें लिखा था कि भाई के कफन दफन के लिए जो लाइन वेलफेयर फंड से रकम दी गई थी उसकी वापसी के संबंध में थी। सर,
उसमें क्या लिखा गया था? आपसे कोई रकम की मांग करी गई थी क्या?
मांग के संबंध में था, रिकवरी था। तो बोले एग्जैक्ट में सर मेरे को रकम के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं था। मम्मी को मिला था तो मम्मी बोल रही थी कि लेटर मिलेगा तो मेरे को ध्यान आएगा, तो लेटर दिए थे प्रशासन की तरफ से। तो लेटर मम्मी को दिया। मम्मी जो है फिर वहाँ रायपुर गई तो भैया लोगों को दिखाई होंगी तो वो लोग फिर कार्रवाई किए।
The letter Kaushal is mentioning is right with us right now over here. The letter very clearly is dated for the 12th of April 2015. The letter has been written by Nilesh Dwivedi. He's the RI in Garhyaband. The letter very clearly requests the family and is addressed to Kaushal Pandey, who's right beside us and who's the elder brother of Kishore Pandey, who had died at the age of 28. He was in fact martyrs fighting the Maoists. The letter very clearly mentions that how the family should reimburse the government the rupees 10,000 that had in fact been incurred as expenditure for his last rites.
And after Times Now's report, the Chhattisgarh cops have now moved to withdraw the order demanding money from the martyr's family, and this is the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh, also reacting on this Times Now report.
किसी परिवार के यदि सदस्य शहीद होता है तो शहादत को हम अपनी तरीके से ज़्यादा सम्मान कैसे दें, उनको अनुकंपा नियुक्ति कैसे दें, उनके परिवार को राहत कैसे दें, धनराशि कैसे मिले, इन प्रक्रियाओं को इजी करने में हमारा ध्यान लगना चाहिए, ना कि इस प्रकार नोटिस दिया। तो हमने आज ही मैं CS से जैसे मैं लौट रहा था मुझे जानकारी हुई, चीफ सेक्रेटरी से मैंने निर्देश दिया कि SP को भी कारण बताओ नोटिस देना चाहिए और जो सूबेदार है जिसने ये नोटिस दिया उसको तत्काल प्रभाव से निलंबित किया।
Not only the relatives of the Jawan's family, but the whole country is, totally, surprised at this cruel decision of the Chhattisgarh government. It is cruel, it is inhuman, it is uncivilized. I don't know how come a government can take a decision like this.